Hello students, all of you welcome to Future Doctor Neet Academy. So here today I am going to give sound sums in electrochemistry. Okay, so today I am going to give only the sound sums. The next day only I am going to give the solution for these sound sums. Understood? This is one of the chapter in 12th standard. Okay, it's a very important chapter. At least we can expect one or two questions in NEET examination. Okay, now the first question: what is the quantity of electricity in coulomb needed to reduce 1 mole of M1O4 minus? Option A 5F, that is 5 Faraday, B 4 Faraday, C 3 Faraday, D 2 Faraday. Understood? Okay, next one. Second question: X in solid state plus 2Y minus aqueous medium gives X2 plus aqueous medium plus 2Y in solid state. The standard electrode potential is equal to 0.059 voltage. What is the value of K for the above reactions? Option A 1 into 10 power 8, option B 1 into 10 power 2, option C 4 into 10 power 8, option D 3 into 10 power 8. Understood? Okay, here also we have one formula. There is a relation between equilibrium constant and standard electrode potential. If you apply this formula, you can get the answer. Understood? Third one, the standard Gibbs free energy for the given cell reaction in kilojoule per mole at 298 Kelvin is zinc plus Cu2 plus gives Zn2 plus Cu. The standard electrode potential is equal to 2 voltage. Okay, here they are asking to find out what standard Gibbs free energy. We have one formula: delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught. See, if you apply this formula, we can get answer. Simple one, very simple. But the answer should be in what? Kilojoule per mole. Okay, that's very important. Okay, option A minus 384 kilojoule per mole. Option B minus 284 kilojoule per mole. Option C minus 184 kilojoule per mole. Option D minus 194 kilojoule per mole. Fourth one, the reduction potential of copper, zinc, iron and lead are plus 0.34 voltage, minus 0.76 voltage and minus 0.40 voltage and minus 0.13 voltage respectively. Which of them is stronger reducing agent? Okay, so they are given the four metals. We have to find out from the electrode potential value only we can decide which one is stronger, which one is weaker, which one is oxidizing agent, which one is weaker reducing agent. This all we can able to find out. Okay, so that data if means we can able to find out. Okay, so more negative means it's more negative value. It is considered as a strong reducing agent. That only you should keep in mind. From this we can able to find out which one is stronger reducing agent. Okay, so here option A zinc, option B copper, option C lead, option D iron. Fifth one, the conductivity of 0.40 molarity solution of KCl at 258 Kelvin is 4.96 into 10 power minus 2 Siemens centimeter inverse. The molar conductivity of the solution is, okay, option A 114 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse, option B 124 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse, option C 134 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse, option D 144 Siemens centimeter square mole inverse. Okay, here also we have a formula for the simple formula. Molar conductivity is equal to kappa into 1000 by C, but we have centimeter means we have another formula, but here it is in centimeter. No, so formula is kappa is molar conductivity lambda m is equal to kappa into 1000 by C. That formula if you apply means we can get the answer. Understood? Only few formulas are there. If you are familiar with this formula means you can easily answer all the sums in electrochemistry. Then next one, sixth one, the molar conductivity is maximum for the solution of concentration. Okay, so there we have four solution concentration is given. We have to find out which solution having molar conductivity is maximum. Okay, that's a question. Then we have some relation between concentration and molar conductivity. That relation if means you can able to find out. Understood? Last question. During the electrolysis of molten sodium chloride, the time required to produce 0.10 mole of chlorine gas using a current of 3 ampere is option A 55 minutes, option B 110 minutes, option C 220 minutes, option D 330 minutes. Here also we have formula. It is based on Faraday first law of electrolysis. So here also we have formula M is equal to ZIT. That formula if you apply means you can get the answer very easily. The next day I will give the solution for this. Before that, be ready there. Ready? Just a list of the formula. We very few formulas in this chapter. Thank you, students.